Hey, what's going on? Antonio Carter here. I'm going to show you how to create an email sequence or automation within ActiveCampaign. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I'm back. Antonio X Carter in the building. You are in my ActiveCampaign account, and right now I'm going to show you something pretty cool. This is what I use to pretty much make my life a lot easier when it comes to affiliate marketing and email. Yeah, I'm so much into automation. It's great, and it just saves me from doing work. I do it one time, which can be a little bit tedious, but then once I do it once, I said once I do it once. Once I do it one time, then I don't have to do it again. All right. So you're watching this video so that you can learn how to create your own automations, your own email sequences. It's fairly simple. It's very visual, and I will start mine from scratch. I just thought about doing one that already had, like here, I got 36 emails in this one. Got 379 people going through that right now, but we'll just go ahead and start from scratch. So let me click that. I'm going to hit continue. Okay. So if you didn't catch that, just click create automation in the upper right hand corner, and then I clicked start from scratch. From scratch. Now, add a start trigger. This is saying in order for this automation to start, what needs to happen in order for it to begin. All right, there's plenty of options here. I'm not going to get into all of these, but I go over these with my students. I go over them in some of my other videos. But for right now, we're going to say when somebody subscribes to a list to start this particular automation. So let's go ahead and click it. Boom, and hit continue. If you don't know how to create a list, if you don't know how to connect your ActiveCampaign forms over to, in my case, ClickFunnels or any other landing page software that you have, I have videos for that. So they're down in the description or probably somewhere here on the screen. Go ahead and click that and watch those. And I make it and you can watch a tutorial based on that. Now, select the list. I'm going to use the one that I've created with all of my other videos called Test 1 and hit Add Start. Now, you will see start this automation when one of these actions takes place. When contact subscribes to list Test 1. Now, I'm going to send an email. The cool thing about ActiveCampaign, you can send SMS messages, which is text messages, notifications. You can get notified that somebody opted into your list. I don't want my inbox full of notifications. Some people do. One of my students does. He's actually pretty good. But I'm going to start this by creating an email. I'm not going to spend a whole bunch of time on creating an email because I got another video of that within my free email course. You can download that for free. It's down in the descriptions under this video. So, Test 1 email. If you haven't already, please download, get access to my free email course. Get all these videos in one place. There's no catch. You just go opt in and get access to emails or my email course. Now, I have a custom template. You may not have to do all that. You can start from scratch. I'm not going to do that here because I just don't really have the time. I'm going to make my own custom one, and I'm going to hit select. And again, test email 1 is going to be the subject. That's what everybody's going to see when you see the email. That's what they're going to see in the subject line. So, being that I'm focusing on the automation aspect, I'm not going to go through the whole thing of creating an email and all that stuff. This is a template of mine. This email goes out to all of the people on my email lists. Perhaps you're on my email list. You'll see my face. So let's imagine that you created your email. You typed up something that said, hey, LeBron James just won the NBA championship because he just did, October 11th. Holla at your boy. And everything looks good. We're not going to worry about none of this stuff. I can go over this later on in some of the other videos. But we're just going to hit finish, because we're just making a video here. I'm trying to respect your time. I want to give you like all this information, and all of a sudden you have analysis paralysis. So you could either hit save or cancel here. You already created the email. I don't know why that screen pops up. But as you see, within the automation, what's going to happen is somebody opts in here. They're going to come down here, boom, receive that email. And then what I like to do, I come down to conditions and workflow. I like to say, wait for 30 minutes. I'm giving you guys, oops, I said 1 minute. I'm giving you guys some guru stuff here, okay, that only my students really see me do. Let's do this again. Hit the plus button. Boom. We're going to wait for 30 minutes. Save. And then if they open the email, I'm going through this part kind of fast. Don't worry about it. I'm going to go through this with another video in detail and explain it. Test one email, add. Boom. Gives me what's called an if-else statement. And so after 30 minutes, I can create an action to say, hey, if this person has opened the email, test email 1, then do this. If they don't open it, then do that. Okay? Pretty cool, pretty cool. I'm going to add one more thing that kind of in this automation. I'm not going to go into too much detail about what I'm doing here in the automation. I just want to keep it super simple for you. And so you can kind of see how complex this can get, how much power you can get with ActiveCampaign, and why so many marketers love it, so many business owners love it. All right. Boom. So what I like to do, guys, I like to have an email, wait for a certain amount of time, do a if-else statement, and then further segment my list based upon my my list's actions. Okay, and based on whatever they do, whether they open it or not, they'll come down and wait for a day. Maybe I might send them another email after that. Okay, after a day. Maybe I might put them in another email automation, a totally separate one, okay, and send them different emails. It just really matters. If they say no, I wait for a day. Maybe I send them another email, right, just like previously. And then after that, I bring them right back over here. Boom. So that I can continue the automation. All right. So hopefully you got value from this. If you did, please give me some comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All these videos are within my free email course. Please go ahead and download that. There's no sales page or nothing. Just go ahead and download it. No tricks, okay? Show me some love, guys. I'm really pouring this out to you. By the way, make sure you hit this active button once this sequence or this automation is ready to go. All right, so I really hope that you like ActiveCampaign. If you haven't already, please get I believe it's either a 10-day free trial or 14-day free trial. Use my affiliate link down below. If you go past that and you choose to purchase it, use the monthly services, I do get a small little kickback. I have to say that, but it's not a huge kickback anyway. Hope you enjoy this video. We'll talk to you guys later.